Hey besties, what is up? Welcome to another video, and today we are redoing my room. What? I have literally had the exact same room set up for when did I get my own room? And then I would have got I only used one of the 40-second. She's judging me. I only used the 40-second jasmine rice.
I didn't say that one.
Yeah, sorry about that. That's to do with another video coming out. I've had this same room since like year 7, year 8, whenever I got that desk. Oh my god, my room's also a mess, but it's gonna get even messier before it gets cleaner. I have to take everything off my desk and everything off these, because these have to go out of my room so I can get the desk out of my room. We're also selling this desk, and that's pretty much the only thing of redoing my room, is that I've got a new desk. Everything else is pretty much staying the same, like room setup wise. So it's not that much of a transformation. Like it also like it is. Anyways, that's enough chit chat. Let's just start doing shit, shall we? All right, so this is what the room currently looks like. She's messy. Nothing over there is really changing. It'll just be cleaned. This like whole thing here is gonna change. So this is the update. All the two thingies, they're over. Okay, this looks terrible. But like if I took a cute little photo of this looks amazing. With a little vacuum. Oh my god, look at how much floor I have. Now I need to attack all that, but I'm running out of space. I have too much crap. Some Britney Spears, baby! So, I was like, yay, my room's done. I just gotta take all the photos off. I forgot this shit under the desk. I'm gonna cry. Also, the room update. But yeah, there's all that shit. Where the fuck is that gonna go? I'm like out of room on the bed. The dust is getting really bad. Guys, the desk is clean. Look at her. And now I'm gonna take some photos of it, and then it's going out of the room. Update on the rest of the room though. I don't know if I'll be sleeping in here tonight. That's all I have to say. Everyone say hi to my mom.
Hi.
You're not in the vlog. She's gonna help me carry the desk out of the room. "27 minutes. It's taken us to figure out how to unassemble and carry half of it out. Alright, we're gonna carry the rest of it out.
Next.
Alright, this is like spacey. I'm gonna vacuum the floor. I will deal with that corner, but that corner kind of scares me. And then I have to figure out how to wash my walls. Then we can build the desk. I may not be sleeping in here tonight, depending on how long this takes, because it's currently 2:30. It's time to wash the walls. My mum wanted me to tell you all, Lorraine Lee microfiber towel is not just good for washing your face, it's also good for washing walls. Actually, she did a way better job at promoting it than I did, but... Like... But then I said, if no hot guys come in my room, then I'm going to be pissed. Applications for hot guys who want to come over. We're done. We're done washing the wall. It probably doesn't look different to you, but I promise you, actually, this is a really bad spot to lay out because that looks real dirty, but I did scrub the wall the best I could. All right, everyone. Welcome to Maddie is about to build a desk by herself. No help from anyone else. I don't want help. I'm gonna do it by myself because I am a strong, independent young woman and who doesn't currently feel like having a mental breakdown about a situation that is unrelated to doing my room.
You just be nice, like I taught you.
Wasn't that what I just did?
Yes, I know. I know. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you. I'm gonna play before it cheats. I completed the desk, guys. It's done. Ta-da! It's very different to the last desk. It also, like, I think might actually be smaller, but it's fine. It'll work, you know? Alrighty, besties. It is the next day. I am going to currently go pick up Sky and Bubba, and then we're gonna go to Kmart and pick up a few things that I need for my room. That's today's plan. I don't actually know how much of my room will get done because most of the day I am spending with them, but we'll see. All right, whole time I didn't vlog when I was with Sky and Bubba because I don't know how she feels about child being like on social media. Also, I didn't show you what my room looked like. You can kind of see I cleared off a section for me to sleep and that's about it. This is what I got from Kmart. Black coat hangers, metal pant hangers. Me and Sky both actually got this book, King of Wrath. Sounds really good. And last but not least, I got a basket because I already have 3 of these, but the 4th one is a different basket, so I'm gonna switch it over to be, so it's like all the same basket. Alrighty, besties. Day 3. Yesterday I literally did nothing to my room, but I have to move my bed over. So then that little cube thingy can go there, right? But to do that, I have to pull everything out from underneath my bed. But it's okay, because I need to sort through that shit anyways. So that's what we're doing today, is sorting through everything under the bed and hopefully moving the bed. Alright, my lovely ladies. I'm back from my meeting. And I'm gonna keep getting stuff out from under my bed. The room looks really bad right now. Anyways, under the bed is looking quite roomy. outside of the bed is not, but that's okay. We're gonna take everything out, move everything off the, there's so much to do to move this fucking bed, like. Alrighty guys, I just got back from a walk and everything's off the bed, everything over there is moved, so now we're gonna move the whole bed over. I actually don't know how far it has to move. I had to go get my mum's, I forgot to vlog actually moving the bed, but we did move it. This was where it was. Holy shit, that's such, like, that cupboard's stuffed. Anyways, now it's there. And now I've got to vacuum under the bed before I can put the crap back under. It's a situation happening out here.